Hello guys, welcome back to my Nasdaq weekly report. And as usual, let's see what Nasdaq is up to. Let's see what we can expect from the Nasdaq this week. These are my previous analysis. I'm just gonna open them in a new tab so we can quickly analyze and check on them. Yeah, just see because in the past few days Nasdaq has been bullish. It's been in a bullish trend. It's broke the historical high of 13,000 and now it's currently in the 13,300 mark. And yeah, this is where we stopped from the previous weekly report. This was my last analysis on the last video. I'll leave the link in the description. So this is what we had. We were expecting a buy from that level to 13,000 and up to a new historical high, which we do get. As you can see, we got a break upside. We broke the resistance. There's a very strong resistance there, and we broke the resistance even to higher highs. And so Nasdaq has pretty much been in a bullish trend since the Joe Biden inauguration as the new president of America. There's been more positive news in the stock markets as Netflix also released their earnings reports. So it's all been good for the Nasdaq market, but let's see what we're going to expect this week. Um, we're just going to go over to the last post, and this is where we had a consolidation box in between. So I said if it broke it upside, we're going to go over to 13,300 and 13,000, I mean. And if it goes downside, we're going to go back down to the bottom trend line, as you can read in the post description. But we do got a break upside and we were headed over to the 13,300. It broke my expectations. I was expecting 13,000 and it's go way up to 13,300. So as you can see currently on the chart now, we are at the 13,300 mark, and this is my current analysis. This is what I think the market would do in the next couple of weeks. I think we're going to expect a bearish movement because we've been seeing a lot of bullish movement since last week, and now we can say the bulls are exhausted, and you can see a consolidation box there too. So we can calmly say we are expecting a sell downside to 1300. So I think that's my analysis. You can also put your own suggestions down in the comment section in TradingView so I can also see what you think. But what I think is that I've kind of found a consolidation box. I will draw the consolidation box shortly. So what I think is that the market is going to go bearish down to 1300, and from 1300 I will see if it's going to get a bullish continuation back to 13300 or even break to more historical high, or from the 1300 we could also get a break downside to the bottom trend line, the overall bullish trend line. And it's a matter of choice to also see if we're going to break the bullish trend line or not. But for now, we should just get set to sell this market down to the 1300 mark, just for bearish retracement. This is a bearish retracement idea. So let's get set to sell it down to 1300 before there will be any bullish continuation. That's one thing about the Nasdaq market. Each time the Nasdaq market breaks an historical high way up, just know, just suspect. You shouldn't, anybody entering a buy now is already late. But I do think the market could go way up to 13,500 before any bearish retracement though. So keep that in mind. While we are about to sell the market, it could go to 13,500. The market is still in a very strong bullish trend. Don't forget that. But with the consolidation box, we can see now, we can as well say, yeah, the bulls are really exhausted, and it's time to give it up for the bears. So that's what I think in the market. Right. So you can also see the overall bullish trend line over there. Overall bullish trend line. So I'm just drawing out my risk ratio. You can see the risk ratio is very good. Our risk management should always be on point because the Nasdaq is very volatile, extremely volatile. So just so you know. Okay guys, so I'm gonna draw my consolidation box now because we can see a consolidation there. So everyone should draw this on their chart so we know each time there's a consolidation we have to wait for a breakout, right? So We do know we're going to get a breakout either up or downside. If we do get a breakout up, we're going to go to 13,500, and if we do get down, we're going to go to 1300. But whichever way, my bias is that we're going to go down to 1300 this week. So, but just so you know, we can also go to 13,500 mark before crashing downside. So that's why it's really important to draw out your consolidation box. So let's wait for a breakout in this market. So if you also want to get more trading view, want to get more analysis concerning Nasdaq and the currency pair, the forex market, go follow me up on TradingView. I will leave the links in the description below. Yeah, go follow me there so you can get more analysis, and you're gonna get a notification from TradingView into your mail each time I post an analysis. Okay, you can see I also really appreciate when the comment section is really active. You can suggest your trading analysis. You can also post to the analysis with me, suggest ideas. Your opinions really matters a lot. When we trade together, we tend to make more money and learn a lot together. So as you can see over there, the comment is really active. So don't forget to follow me up on TradingView. And as well, if you are just new to this channel, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel as well. We're about to hit the 1k mark, guys. Please, let's go hit the 1k subscriber mark. Let's hit 1k, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as usual, I'm gonna see you all in the next Nasdaq Quick Clip.